Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you looking to bring some low maintenance greenery to your space? Well, I want to show you these absolutely beautiful artificial topiaries from Gadout. So this is a set of two artificial boxwood ball topiary bushes, and they are amazing. They look so real. It is really hard to tell that they are not the real thing. They're so beautiful. They have a ton of abundant foliage, and you can actually shape these little branches. They're kind of bendy, so you can make it look however you like, which is awesome. Now these are a nice size. This is a 24-inch tall and a 16-inch wide size. So these look so amazing in so many different places because they have a really nice presence to them. These are made super well, really high quality, really durable. They have a nice heavy concrete base, so they're not going to easily tip over. And you can place these actually in the ground, or you can put them in a planter. Either way, they look really beautiful. And I love that you can move these around and mix things up. So when you want to put them in a different space, it's easy to just pick them up and move them to another location. So these are an awesome element if you want to add a natural look or feel to a space, but maybe the conditions just don't allow for it, or maybe you just don't want to have to take care of a plant, but you want that beautiful plant-like look. These can be simply washed with water if they need to be cleaned up at all. And they're also UV resistant. So even if you have them out in a sunny location, they're gonna maintain that beautiful look for years to come. So if you wanna add that bright, beautiful, natural looking element to a space without all the work of taking care of plants, I would definitely check out these gorgeous boxwood topiaries from the Gadout store. I am super pleased with the quality and the design, and that is my point of view.